We've just concluded the handover of play materials and a comprehensive emergency program to the Xade Primary School. And this is as a result of support that UNICEF received during the emergency floods from February. We had one response for 3 months, and we have continued with the recovery phase. For the recovery phase, we have provided psychosocial support and recreation to a number of schools. This is just one of the schools. The components we have seen today here include provision of water and sanitation, both in the hardware for the hand washing and also a smaller package of water dispensers for the students. The context of these schools is it's based in Hanse district within the nomadic communities. And because of their mobility, they are provided by the government boarding facilities to ensure there's continuity of learning. And that's why we have invested to ensure that this school is supported beyond in this emergency situation. Ganzi has both the flooding and it also has long stretches of arid times. It's part of the Kalahari Desert, therefore quite hard hit by climate change.